بتعبر تسوي كروس يعني straight like this, you will not make it. The truck will be stuck in the middle. Come diagonally like this, move like this.
Okay. When we are moving on the car on the higher hump, not to touch bottom side, we
Yeah.
go at the 45 degree and take one tire one side and move the other tire from the other side
Yeah.
of the.
So that's it. You always go diagonally before you stuck in the middle, and
Yes,
it
yes.
will not work out.
Yeah, it will be safer for that.
Yeah. Beware of overhead obstacle and drive within the speed limit. This is, we'll talk about equipment check. Daily checking for the forklift, and I have a video I'll show you, which is, it will be good to see it through a video better than we go on this one. Like, this is the driver job on a daily basis before he uses the